To get started with the WeBull app in the UK, first download and install the app from the App Store. Once installed, open the app and click on Sign Up to create a new account. You will need to provide some personal and financial information to comply with UK regulations. After signing up, you will need to verify your identity by providing a government-issued ID and proof of address. This is a standard requirement for all financial institutions in the UK. Once your account is verified, you can deposit funds into your account using a debit card or bank transfer. The WeBull app offers a range of features including real-time market data, news and analysis, and trading tools. You can use the app to trade a variety of financial instruments including stocks, options, and ETFs. To place a trade, simply select the instrument you want to trade, choose the amount you want to invest, and confirm the trade. The app also offers a range of analytical tools including charts and technical indicators. You can use these tools to analyze market trends and make informed investment decisions. Additionally, the app provides real-time news and market updates to help you stay informed about market developments. To manage your portfolio, you can use the app to track your investments, monitor your account balance, and adjust your portfolio as needed. The app also offers a range of risk management tools including stop-loss orders and limit orders. It is essential to use the app responsibly and within your means. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. And always do your own research before making an investment decision. The WeBull app is a powerful tool for investing in the financial markets. But it is essential to use it wisely and with caution. By following these steps and using the WeBull app responsibly, you can take control of your investments and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always stay informed, do your own research, and never invest more than you can afford to lose.